In brief, never mount your weight-bearing bars, like for example pull-ups, as such. It may hold together fine for a little while, but eventually it's going to shear, and that's going to create some dramatic impact physically. So what I do is I take the bars and I basically bore them through the 4x6s to give it extra support, and it makes them easy to replace as time goes on as well. And here's an example of how stable the unit is, and this is of course railroad ties in 4x6s, and it's been holding together quite well for quite some time. Enjoy.